Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify abandoned checkout emails and SMS reminders, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Shopify abandoned checkout emails and SMS reminders, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings option located at the bottom left of the screen. In the settings menu, click on checkout. Scroll down to the order processing section. Here, you will find the abandoned checkout emails option. Check the box next to automatically send abandoned checkout emails. You can, after customizing the email, click the Save button to apply the changes. Next, to set up SMS reminders, go back to the Settings menu. This time, select Notifications. In the Notifications section, scroll down to find the Abandoned Checkout SMS option. Toggle the switch to enable SMS notifications for abandoned checkouts. If you haven't already, ensure that your checkout has the SMS option enabled for customers. This can be done in your checkout settings by allowing customers to enter their phone numbers. Now, you need to customize your SMS message as well. Go back to Settings, then select Notifications again. Locate the Abandoned Checkout SMS template and click to edit. Craft a concise message that reminds customers to complete their purchase. Once satisfied, click Save to finalize your SMS reminder settings. To test if everything is set up correctly, simulate an abandoned checkout. Go through the checkout process, then abandon it before completing your purchase. Wait for the email and SMS to arrive to confirm functionality. If both reminders are received, your setup is successful. You are now fully equipped to remind customers about their abandoned checkouts through both email and SMS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.